The Shompur Buddhist Monastery at Paharpur, Nagaon, built by the King II Dharmapala around 1200 years ago. Inside this monastery of 243,840 square meters, there are various structures including the central temple, 177 rooms for the monks, dining hall, kitchen, treasure, stupas, chapels and many more. Blessed by the memory of learned Atish Dipankar Srigyan, this monastery was a concord of students, researchers, learners. This proud yard of Bengali intellect is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The archetype of Bangladesh has diversely been enriched by the Muslim architectural landmarks. More than 500 years old, 60 Dome Mosque, which is a part of the magnificent Mosque City of Bagirhat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the largest and the most beautiful mosque among the ancient mosques of Bangladesh. Along with 70 globular and 7 rectangular domes, this mosque of Sultani age is treated as the most captivating Muslim architecture of the Indian subcontinent. The historical city Dhaka emerged in 1608 during the Mughal age. The most attractive structure of that period is the Lal Bagh Fort. This magnificent landmark of the Mughal era is now the symbol of the capital Dhaka.